What's up, guys? What's up? All right, we got 2018 Leaf football jersey, one box break number 38. We've got Tim with the Raiders, Bucks, and Redskins. Ben with the Cardinals. Eric with the Cowboys, Jaguars, Dolphins, and Jets. Kendall with the Giants and Chiefs. Richard H with the Seahawks. Jesse with the Colts, Ravens, and Falcons. That's Jesse S. Jesse C with the Texans. Brent with the Bears. Brennan with the Bengals. Noe with the Panthers. Brandon with the Bills. Cody with the Eagles, Steelers, 49ers, Titans, Browns, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Chargers, Rams, Vikings, Patriots, and Saints. All right, guys, let's find out what we got tonight. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. My Braves got a big win over the Dodgers. We live to play another day. Good night. Tonight's jersey goes to... Straighten up the camera a little bit. The Bucks, throwback, Tampa Bay, Warren Sapp. Timmy H is your winner. Look at that huge autograph. Holy cow. Warren Sapp, Tampa Bay Bucks, throwback. Nice hit, Tim. Congrats, man. I'll get that in the mail tomorrow or Tuesday, whenever the post office is working again. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot.